amazing audience.
Hey, go up, So, that is the new frame. Akash, what is the new frame? Yeah, I'm excited. Just picked up the frame from Alex. He got it in from Italy. Rithvik got it in from Switzerland, to Monza, and then to Bergamo, and then now to Bangalore. It's one hell of a journey for this frame. So Flash, what's happening? This is happening. So we are now dismantling the look and removing a lot, salvaging a bunch of parts. I'm going to be using the crank, obviously, the derailleur. I have another derailleur which goes in the new one, using these, the brake pads from this, and the handlebar, how the shifter, of course. And the new bike is going to have a new stem, a new seat post, which is not like this, it's round. A new chain. Gonna go back to 2x, so cha-cha 1x for now. And the same pedals, I'm just using Ashwin's pedals for now until I get a new pair of basics. And these wheels will go to the new bike. What do you say, Flash? Yeah, I think you're also okay with it.
Okay.
Alright?
So this is the garage opening of the.
Yeah. We already sliced it, so the slicing part is
It's done.
done.
Benny's had a good orgasm on it. It is light.
It is light, yeah?
It is bloody
I mean, you can feel the lightness in that
yeah.
shit.
With all of this
It's still,
bubble wrap, it's still
it's fucking light.
Damn, Benny.
Look at it! Not a look anymore.
There is. There is no
Nice.
longer a look.
Yeah. It's the new chapter.
That's my name. That's my first two last.
Oh yeah! First 3 letters, chapter 2!
Nice.
Nice.
What happened?
Oh, he wants to hum cha-cha.
What happened?
Very nice.
Very, very nice.
I love the... Fuck dude, like the finish. Is that the naked carbon?
Yeah, this is definitely the naked carbon.
So this is like minimal paint and weight, yeah.
Yeah. This is nice.
This is nice. This is basically the whole
Yeah.
Maori inscription.
Yeah.
I mean, topographical something.
Yeah, yeah.
So Huru in Maori means feather, which is lightweight basically.
This is lightweight, which is very light.
Yeah.
I can tell you it's already very light. Benny's gonna crack the top 3 positions in Nandi.
In Nandi, right? Yeah, it's high time. Like Naveen, watch out.
Yeah.
Naveen has a
just watch
heavy
out.
disc brake now.
Yeah, he's a heavy disc breaker.
Like Naveen, watch out, bro.
There you go.
Ooh, c'est bon. Let's show you new friends. Are they friends or are they? That's Amber. That's Mowgli. This fellow, cross-legged guy. Whiskey. And that guy, Toothless.
Toothless.
Yeah.
There's one shy.
All cute, cuties.
And we have an audience. Yes, we do. We had an amazing audience
Surrounded.
surrounding the new Chapter 2. Penny's been given the high five. Looking good.
So Iggy, what's the scene, bro? Like, why is it taking so long?
Because it's Chapter 2.
It's chapter 2. No, I think we spent most of our time handling the dogs. Like it was a doggo party. That's what Flash is doing now, completing. He's empty. He's just like. No Flash? Mowgli's gone. What's his name? What's
Amber's
that?
gone.
Amber's gone.
Toothless is gone.
Toothless, Whiskey. Full C. So I'm officially on my first ride on the bike. Just testing it out. Got some nice pictures, which I'm going to share now. And I'm going to do a proper test ride day after. Definitely arrives tonight. It's a long day. Last couple of days we've been super busy. But this bike is a dream. I can't wait to test it out in like full gas mode. First climb up with the Huru. You can feel the weight. It's like new frame, old roads, baptism by dirt. That's how we do it here. Good morning. Out on a very chill ride with Pritham, my neighbor, Baba, also my neighbor, and Mecca Crank. We're off to have some coffee at Shell, maybe some brekkie nearby. Yeah, Pritham's riding his bike after ages. Baba has a fancy MTV, which I'll show you soon, but yes, he has a carbon stem and handlebars, and he's got an MTV nats with that, hopefully. He did a kick-ass job repping Bangalore district at a state meet. Chapter.
Chain is good.
Chain is good, huh?
Yeah.
Approved.
Yes.
So I'm a crank and we are going to be waxing our chain today.